up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, we got my gallery in the building with another unique watch face. And she's known for making some of the best creative watch faces in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called Mechanical Mesh. I do like the look of this design. It's a very nice design. It is animated as well. It's an analog watch face that's going to stand out amongst the crowd. This is truly a thing of beauty by my gallery. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the nicest look. I really like the look of this in the AOD mode. It stands out for me. Now, when the watch face is on, you do have analog hands, and I like the way the hands lights up like a bar. Not bad at all. You get animation here, animation here, and animation here. You're going to get your date right there about a 3. So this does have a traditional look to it so far as analog is concerned. It's just going to be blended with a little modern look. Now, you cannot go into any step status or anything like that. This is definitely a weekend fun watch face to play. Now, if you tap in the center, you are going to be able to customize the color theme of the watch face. You get quite a few. We're going to cycle through all of them to give you an idea of what it's going to be like once you download this watch face. You get many different colors to choose from. I like this night mode effect. Looks very nice. Changes the hands a little bit. Not bad at all for a super casual watch face. What do you think, people? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. But we got a bonus watch face coming up after this one. So let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called 4-Color Gear. This one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and definitely, people, this one is worth the download. Now, this is a casual dress down watch face. If you're going to be chilling, you're just going to be hanging out for the weekend, then this would be a nice watch face for you to download to play over the weekend. Now, this watch face does pack a punch, so don't sleep on this one. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice analog look. When the watch face is on, I love the analog time. You're going to get a nice second hand going smoothly around the bezel of the watch at the bottom, and you'll get your step info here, heart info here, and you're going to get your date and also your battery information. So you got everything you need right at your fingertips, and it is in the active, so if you need to go in and give more of your step status info, you can. But what I like about the watch face most of all is you can customize the color theme of the watch face. Very nice. You get a few to choose from, which isn't a bad look at all. But this is what really stands out about such a free watch face. You get shortcuts. If you look around the bezel of the watch, you're going to be able to get Find My Phone, set an alarm, your contacts, email, messages. You can make a phone call, music player. You can go into your pictures, settings, S-Voice, S-Health, apps, and you get everything you need right at your fingertips right here. And it's by a single tap, and you'll be able to go into whatever application you want to go into. I'm telling you, this free watch face is worth the download, people. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. Okay, ladies, I got a watch face for you. Hopefully you like it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know either way. Okay, ladies, watch face number 3 is for you. Hopefully you enjoy it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Scape Pink watch face. Now, I'm going to call it Pinky. Now, this watch face is a simple watch face. It's definitely a dress down watch face, or you can use this watch face to play over the work week. But either way, it's definitely a good download for the ladies. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple digital time for both the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. And once the watch face is on, you're going to be greeted with your step status info up at the top so far as your goal completed. You come down, you will get your date, the day of the week, digital time, dead center, and down at the bottom, for those of y'all who need to know your step info, they didn't forget about you. You're going to get step info, battery, calories burned, and also your heart rate. And yes, on top of it, people, it is inactive. So with a single tap, you'll be able to go into that information at will with no problem. I thought that was pretty cool, especially considering that the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The weekend is almost here, just trying to get you ready. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy. Take care.